In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a PowerPoint presentation using only AI. That's right, no designing from scratch, no struggling with layouts, and no spending hours thinking about what to write on each slide. We're going to use AI to instantly generate a ready-to-download PowerPoint presentation in just a few clicks. This is perfect for students, teachers, professionals, or anyone who needs to create presentations quickly. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and powerful tech guides. Now, let's get started. The first step is to open ChatGPT in your browser. You can simply go to chat.openai.com and log into your account. Once you're inside ChatGPT, you'll see the message box where you can type your prompt. This is where the magic happens. Instead of manually creating slides in PowerPoint, we're going to let AI generate the entire presentation structure for us. Now, in the message box, type a prompt like this. Prepare PPT of 3 slides on India. Use image suggestions, bullet points, and titles. You can change the topic to anything you want: history, science, marketing, business ideas, or even a school project. The key is to clearly mention how many slides you want and specify that you need titles, bullet points, and image suggestions. The more specific your prompt, the better your results will be. After typing the prompt, press Enter and give ChatGPT a few seconds to generate the presentation content. You'll see that it automatically structures everything slide by slide. It will create a title for each slide, add clean bullet points with key information, and even suggest what type of images you can use. This saves you a huge amount of time because you don't have to research, summarize, and format everything yourself. If you want to make changes, you can simply tell ChatGPT to adjust the tone, add more details, simplify the language, or increase the number of slides. Once you're satisfied with the output, the next step is to generate the actual PowerPoint file. If your version of ChatGPT supports file generation, you can simply ask it to create a downloadable PowerPoint file based on the content provided. For example, type, "Create a downloadable PPT file using this content." ChatGPT will then prepare the presentation file for you. This may take a moment, depending on the length of your slides. Once it's ready, you'll see a download button appear. Click on the download button to save the PowerPoint file to your computer. Choose a location where you can easily find it, such as your desktop or downloads folder. After the file finishes downloading, navigate to the saved location and double-click on the PowerPoint file to open it. Now your presentation will open in Microsoft PowerPoint. You'll see that the slides are already structured with titles and bullet points. From here, you can quickly customize the design. You can apply a theme, adjust fonts, insert real images based on the AI suggestions, add animations, or tweak the layout to match your style. The hard part, planning and writing the content, is already done by AI. And that's it. You've successfully created a PowerPoint presentation using only AI. As you can see, this method is incredibly fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect when you're short on time. Instead of spending hours building slides manually, you can focus on practicing your presentation or refining your ideas. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more AI and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.